All right, so I did this one wrong the first time. I'm going to reread it now. So at the beginning of each year, he puts 5,000 in a savings account that pays 4% interest compounded quarterly. Find out how long it'll take till he has 100,000 in his account. So this has a payment involved in it. So this one has a payment of 5,000. And whenever you make something, you're making the payment. So it's 5,000. Its present value is nothing. He doesn't start out with anything. It's 4% interest, so his rate is 4. His compounding is 4 also. And he wants his future value to be $100,000. All right, and we're going to figure out what the number of years is. Sorry about that. So let's go to our calculator. All right, so our interest rate is 4. Our present value is 0. Our payment is negative 5,000. Sorry about that again. 4 compounds per year, 100,000 final thing. We're putting that money in at the beginning of each year, so we gotta make sure we change it to the beginning. So I'm gonna go up to N. I'm gonna calculate N. So 14.492 years. Which is during the 15th year. So during the 15th year, $100,000. At the beginning of each year, John invests 600,000 in the savings, or 6,000 in the savings account that pays an interest rate, annual interest rate of 20 years. He has 200,000 in his account. What's the rate? So the payment is negative 6,000. Present value is nothing. There's nothing in there. We don't know the interest rate. It's compounded semi-annually, so it compounds twice a year. N is 20, and the future value is 200,000. And it wants to know what's the interest rate. So there's my info. So we got 20 years, interest rate, we don't know. Present value is 0. We're going to pay 6,000 in per year. Future value is 200,000. Compounding is only 2. If you put it at the beginning or the end of each year. Beginning of each year, so it's still a beginning problem. So I'm going to go to interest rate. And I'm going to alpha, enter. 4.59% interest rate.